Good morning, students. I am Dr. Tabassum Yasmin, Mandarin Chinese language teacher. Welcome to Chinese in our society, an easy way to learn Chinese language. Welcome to your first Mandarin lesson. Hope you are fine and doing well. Today, I will introduce you to Mandarin Chinese, so let's get started. Today, we will learn Chinese language tones, uses of tones, revision and activity. Tones in Mandarin. Let's get started by understanding the concept of tones in Mandarin. You will usually encounter symbols or certain characters. For example, O, A, Tones in Mandarin. Tones in Mandarin. There are 5 tones in Chinese. Kan wo tu means read with me. We will practice each tones 3 times. Ma means mother. Ma for mama. Mama means mother. But ma means horse. There is difference between 2 tones, first tone and third tone. So, if you don't say the words right, you would end up calling your mother a horse and land into trouble. So be careful. Variations of ma. Let's look at the tonal variations of ma. Ma means mother. Ma for mama. Mama means mother. Ma means hump. Ma means horse. Ma means scold. And ma is a question word and a question particle respectively. Ma, ni hao ma, how are you? Ni jiao shema mingzi, what is your name? First tone. Now we start first tone. The first tone starts at a high level and remains constant at the level. It is the same as saying without a change in voice. Say it as if singing a high tone. First tone, also called a flat tone. This will now be referred to as the high level tone. Ma for mama. G for gaga. Elder brother. Gaga. Mother. M-A with first tone. Mama. It is pronounced using a high level tone. Let's try and say ma. It is said with the high level tone, also known as the first tone. Ma. Remember, the first tone is denoted by it is constant high level tone. It is also flat tone. It is said as ma, na, la. Now second tone. The second tone starts at the middle of the tone and goes to the top. It is similar to saying what in English. This will now be referred to as the mid-rising tone. Shwe, shwe, yue, yue, ma, na. Tonal tip. Hump, type of fabric. Ma, ma. It is pronounced using a mid-rising tone. Let's try and say ma. It is said with the mid-rising tone or second tone. Ma. Remember, the second tone is denoted by it is said with the mid-rising tone. It is similar to the in what? For example, ma, ma. You have to wide open your mouth like na, ma, shue, yue. Third tone. The third tone starts at the middle, drops and picks up again. It is falling rising tone. Say it by pushing the tone and then letting go. This will now be referred to as the falling rising tone. Ni hao, hello. Ni hao, hello. Tonal tip. Ma, horse. It is pronounced using falling rising tone. Third. Remember, the third tone is denoted by it is said in a falling rising tone. It is said by pushing the tone and then letting it go. For example, ma and ni hao. Ni hao means hello. Now, fourth tone. The fourth tone, l, n, starts at a high level and falls sharp at the bottom. It has a rapidly falling pitch, like while saying a command. Example, stop. This will now be referred to as the falling tone. Fourth. Papa. Papa means father. Ye means grandfather. Titi means elder brother. Tonal tip. Ma means cold. It is pronounced using a falling tone. Let's try and say ma, la, na. It is said with the falling tone, also known as the fourth tone, ma. Remember, the fourth tone is denoted by a. It is falling tone. It shares intonation with commands such as stop. For example, ma. Revision. Tones in Mandarin. Number 1, high level tone, first, and we also call flat tone. Say the first tone as if you are singing high tone. Second, mid rising tone. Second, pronounced like a question. English, what your pitch rising at the end of the syllable what. Number 3, falling rising tone. Third, a middle to low to high dipping pitch. Fourth, falling tones. Fourth, a high to low rapidly falling pitch that is pronounced like a command stop. Na, la. 4 tones. Tone is very important. Sometimes the word is same, but changing the tone can change the meanings of the words. For example, she, S-H-I with 4 tone, she with 4 tones called falling tones means is or am. And second, S-H-I, she with second tone, mid rising tone means digit 10. So be careful with the use of tones. In next video we will further discuss the uses of tones. Activity: pick the right option. Question 1. How do we say mother in Mandarin? M-A, ma with first tone. M-A, ma with third tone, ma-a. And ma, M-A, ma with fourth tone. Understand? Answer: M-A-M-A, mama means mother, is said with the constant high level tone, also known as the first tone. Question 2. How do we say horse in Mandarin? M-A, ma with first tone, M-A, ma with third tone, M-A, ma with fourth tone. Answer: horse. M-A, ma with third tone, ma-a. How to pronounce? Ma-a. Ma-a is said with the falling rising tone, also known as the third tone. Question 3. What tone does ma carry? Number 1, high level, first. Number 2, falling, fourth. Number 3, mid rising, second. Answer: understand? The mid rising tone is the second tone. In this tone, ma means hump. Question 4. What tone does scold ma carry? Number 1, high level. Number 2, mid rising. Number 3, falling. Answer: ma means scold and carries the falling tone. The falling tone is also known as the fourth tone. Now revision time. Revision vocabulary. Mother, ma, ma for mama. Hump, ma. Horse, ma-a. Scold, ma. Harping, peace. Harping, peace. And at the end, word of the day. We should always help others. Woman in Kai, Yang Yuan, Pangchu Pieran. Sheshe. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share and like. Turn the bell notification to keep you updated for new videos. Sheshe. 大家好，再见。